Your pan will look like new. I'll show you a simple and effective method to make your pan shine. Say goodbye to old cleaning methods. Start by sprinkling salt on the pan. It acts as a natural abrasive. Next, pour dish soap over the pan to tackle greasy stains. In the next step, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. These ingredients work wonders on different types of dirt, removing stains and streaks from steel components. Now, place a few paper towels over the pan. The paper will absorb excess grime and grease. Finally, pour vinegar onto the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. The vinegar enhances the effectiveness of the previously used ingredients. After a few minutes, rinse the pan with warm water and dry it. As you can see, all the burnt residue is gone. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. With this method, you no longer have to worry about burn marks. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to clean a burnt pan.